I'm sure you've heard the news about how fast technology is changing. But do you know exactly what's on the cutting edge this year? Let's unpack the biggest breakthroughs in engineering and science of 2024. Imagine a world where your clothes clean themselves. Sound like sci-fi? Not anymore. Thanks to nano-engineering, self-cleaning fabrics are making laundry a thing of the past. Moving on, ever got stuck in traffic and wished your car could just fly away? Well, the dream is closer to reality with the latest advancements in drone technology that aims to lift personal cars off the ground. And for our environment lovers, there's something exciting too. Scientists have developed a new type of biodegradable plastic that vanishes within a year, reducing pollution massively. Lastly, imagine a smartphone that charges in just 5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to new supercapacitor batteries, that future is just around the corner. These innovations aren't just changing the game, they're rewriting the rules. Stay tuned, stay curious, and who knows? Maybe one day, these innovations will be part of your everyday life.